Hi guys, everyone who's watching. We are into episode 7 now. Part 2 है हमारा. We just did part 1. अगर if you haven't seen it, please watch it wherever you're watching, Instagram या YouTube, everywhere. Part 1 भी होगा already. We are doing this IPL auction review. So अभी तक we have spoken about how MI have done, how RCB have done, how SRH have done, and how Rajasthan Royals RR have done. We're going to cover the remaining 4 teams in this pod, and also we're going to spend the first 3-4 minutes or 5-10 minutes talking about India ki T20 side that was announced yesterday, and काफी I think most people are happy with the squad. I'll just read out the squad. We'll take quick opinions from everyone on India's squad, and then we'll move on to our IPL review, auction review. So squad is Kohli is captain, Rohit Sharma vice captain, obviously KL Rahul, Shikhar Dhawan, Shreyas Iyer, then Surya Kumar Yadav finally gets the call up. Hardik, Rishabh Pant, Ishan Kishan gets the call up as wicketkeeper along with Rishabh Pant. Yuzvendra Chahal, Arun Chakravarti, Akshar Patel, Washington Sundar, Rahul Tewatia, first time call up for him as well. Natarajan, Bhuvi, Deepak Chahar, Navdeep Saini, and Shardul. So, काफी बड़ा squad है. There are 5 T20s also. Probably we have I think 10 या कुछ ऐसे T20s हैं if we play Asia Cup as well. Asia Cup भी है T20 का World Cup से पहले. So I think good time to try out. So first we'll talk about people who have been dropped. There's only one guy who's been dropped actually. That is Sanju Samson. Manish Pandey apparently is injured. Yeah, apparently he's injured. So let's start with Piyush, who's been pushing for Sky and Nishan ever since IPL, and now finally they have their moment. So chalo, let's start. What do you think, Piyush? What do you think about the 16?
No, like it's like our first, our I don't know how many home series we will have before World Cup T20. So this is the time where we try to experiment and look out for other options because जब लास्ट टाइम ऑस्ट्रेलिया में गए थे श्रेयस अय्यर मनीष पांडे मतलब विराट कोहली आजकल जो गेम स्टाइल हो गया है वो तीनों स्टैग्नेंट और सेम टाइप का है मतलब वी डोंट हैव द मतलब जो एक्सेलरेट कर सके मतलब वी हैव टू अगेन रिलाई ऑन हार्दिक पांड्या एंड जडेजा एवरी टाइम टू डू द जॉब तो उसके लिए मैं जैसे बोल रहा था स्काई ने जैसे आईपीएल में लास्ट 2-3 सीजन और कंसिस्टेंट परफॉर्मेंस रही है डोमेस्टिक में भी तो और स्काई एक ऐसा बैट्समैन है इंडिया टीम में मेरे को लगता है जो जिसके पास ऑलराउंड शॉट्स है मतलब वो T20 टेलर मेड प्लेयर लगता है मतलब वेराइटी ऑफ शॉट्स जो उसके पास है और जो एफिशिएंसी के साथ खेलता है मेरे को नहीं लगता कि कोई और इतना अच्छा खेलता है मतलब इतने वैरायटी अभी प्रेजेंटली मतलब प्लेइंग स्टाइल सबका सेम है अगर आप मनीष पांडे देखें उन लोग प्रॉपर क्रिकेटिंग शॉट्स और वो सब मतलब सेम टाइप के बैट्समैन है मतलब एक तो स्काई आने और किशन आने से ये फायदा है कि अपने को एक अलग डायनेमिक मिलता है और पंत भी जैसे अभी फॉर्म में आ रहा है बिकॉज पंत का एक रहा है कि हमेशा इन एंड आउट रहा है वो डोमेस्टिक मतलब लिमिटेड ओवर्स क्रिकेट में और वो उतना कंसिस्टेंट परफॉर्मेंस नहीं दिया है अभी तक पर उसका जो टेस्ट में अभी फॉर्म है उसके चलते उसको भी कॉल अप मिला है तो आई एम प्रीटी हैप्पी विद हाउ द स्क्वाड इज बिकॉज only like talking point might be Rahul Tewatia. I don't rate him that much, and I don't think so. We need a player like Rahul Tewatia because we already have मतलब वर्ल्ड कप तक तो अपने पास क्योंकि ऑलराउंडर में अगर आप देखोगे स्पिनिंग ऑलराउंडर में तो अपने पास ऑलरेडी जडेजा है जो कि खेलेगा ही ऑब्वियसली अगर फिट रहा तो मतलब ऑब्वियसली फिट हो जाएगा उसके बाद सुंदर भी है और फिर बाद में तीसरा ऑलराउंडर हार्दिक भी है तो मेरे को नहीं लगता कि उससे ज्यादा राहुल टेवटिया एक ऐसी ट्राई कर रहे हैं इन लोग पर आई डोंट थिंक सो ही विल मेक इट टू द फाइनल वर्ल्ड कप स्क्वाड क्योंकि उस टाइम तक तो क्योंकि मेरे को लगता है अक्षर पटेल और वो सब बेटर प्लेयर्स है राहुल टेवेरा से एट द मोमेंट मेरे को मैं इतना ज्यादा वो नहीं करता कि एक दो ठीक है तो ओवरऑल मैं बहुत हैप्पी हूँ स्कॉट से और बुमराह को रेस्ट मिला है बाकी तो अपना बॉलिंग तो सॉर्टेड रहेगा तो उसमें जो मेन अब टॉकिंग पॉइंट बस जो रहेगा वो रहेगा कि कौन ओपन करता है कि राहुल केएल करते हैं कि राहुल रोहित और मेरे को रोहित वाइस कैप्टन है तो रोहित तो मेरे ख्याल से खेलेगा ही 5 T20 उसको वो तो ड्रॉप नहीं हो रहा है तो अब एक ऑप्शन है या तो केएल राहुल को मिडिल ऑर्डर में भेजो धवन को अगर ओपनिंग कराना है तो या फिर वो पर मेरे को लगता है कि अपने को सबको ट्राई करना चाहिए 5 मैच है लंबा मैच है तो मतलब अपने को एक गेम अगर आप 2 गेम किशन को खिला रहे हो तो 2 गेम पंत को खिलाओ और 2 गेम मतलब वो एक एक स्पॉट फिक्स रखना चाहिए मतलब ज्यादा वैरायटी ट्राई नहीं करना चाहिए बैटिंग ऑर्डर में मतलब कि जैसे पंत और वो 5th में 6th में आएंगे तो उन दोनों को स्वैप करो और मेरे को लगता है स्काई तो नो ब्रेनर है उसको हर गेम खेलना चाहिए वर्ल्ड कप तक और उसको वर्ल्ड कप में भी खेलना चाहिए ये मेरा ओपिनियन है क्योंकि वो एक अलग डायनेमिक लाता है बिकॉज मैं अय्यर और पांडे का देखा हूँ वो नंबर 4 में, क्योंकि विराट कोहली का पैटर्न अलग ही चेंज हो गया है, वो अब थोड़ा टाइम ले रहा है सेटल होने में। तो मतलब अगर थर्ड फोर्थ फिफ्थ तुम्हारे सेम रहेंगे, अय्यर, पांडे और वो, तो हार्दिक और जडेजा में बहुत प्रेशर आ जाता है। तो स्काई तो चाहिए ही। बाकी आई एम हैप्पी विद द स्क्वाड।
True. So Samson, I'll discuss about Samson next because he has come out and spoken actually कि it was his role to sort of get those 10 ball 25 kind of innings in the middle order and accelerate, and in trying to do that he probably got out, and I mean the stats didn't show that they were as good, and he's been punished for that. So I mean I feel it's a little unfair, and I mean actually consistent with the inconsistencies that we show in our team selection usually, that we have once again dropped someone that we thought we'll sort of use. So yeah, Samson के बारे में I know Darshil's thoughts already, so I'll actually start with him only.
So yeah, to be fair, I mean what Samson said that he was asked to make those 10 ball 20s. I mean उसने वो भी नहीं बनाया ना. That's the problem. Like except for one game, I don't think Samson accelerated. I mean, basically he'll probably, what I remember is he'll hit a 6 of the first or second one and then get out, and that's the problem. He does not fit into the lower order. He is not a batsman who will bat below number 5. Whereas Nishan Kishan can, right? And Ishan Kishan or Rishabh Pant can. The flexibility that they both provide over a Samson is that they are flexible in the order. So I think that's where, and Samson is competing for the number 3 spot, which is incredibly hard for
But
any
so is
batsman
Sky.
to take.
I mean, so is Sky, right? I mean, Piyush said yeah, number 4, 5, but Sky's
But
best
Sky can.
came.
That's the advantage, right? Sky can bat at a number 4 or a number 5. Samson, I'm not too sure. I mean,
Didn't he, even when he was at KKR, he used to play the role of finisher, and even
Yeah.
previously at MI, he has played that role, so
exactly.
he can play that role lower down the
But
order.
he
And
he,
as
he isn't
Darshil
at his,
said,
at his
much
best.
better cricketer than though.
but the advantage of having Ishan Kishan, Sky,
He's a
and
left-hander
Pant
also.
is that left-hander, and also all three guys can bat below 3. I agree that Sky, because he has not played, that middle order for a while, maybe a bit dicey, but I guess this series we should experiment by giving everyone a chance. इतना squad लिया है, तो at least this is the best time to try it out, because World T20 still there is some months away. So at least if in this series we can try it out, and Asia Cup couple of series we experiment, then we can find the best players.
The
And
problem is
I
that
agree.
our squad has a problem of plenty. Like we have got too many players for too
I
many
agree on
spots.
Samson. I was going to say the
I
same
mean,
thing.
there's no.
Right. I was going to say the same thing on Samson, that he's not a player who can bat below number 3. Whatever his role was in that series, his role of he go and make 10 ball 25, and yeah, after 3 matches he's being discarded. But the point is, he can only come and be as a backup in case Kohli gets injured or something. So I mean, if he's not going to play, then there's no point.
And even
having
then,
him.
you are not sure. No, Pranav. The point
Right,
is,
you're
let's
not
say
sure.
if
He's an
Dhawan and
inconsistent
Rohit
player.
open, KLR drops at 1 down. I mean,
Yeah.
definitely Samson is not ahead of KLR and Kohli in the picking
Absolutely.
order.
So
No ways.
I mean, it's a little harsh on him also, but sometimes some harsh calls have to be made, because I was not in favor of him actually even being in the squad in
The
the first
earlier
place.
time, no, yeah, same.
So,
I didn't want him in the squad earlier also.
I mean,
Completely
it's
useless player.
yeah, it's like
I think
took a
that
punt,
is
it
a
didn't
separate
work.
debate though. That
They took a punt with him and it didn't work out the way they wanted, so they've gone back to the previous idea. So I guess it's harsh on him, but I think it's better. I think Ishan Kishan and Surya Kumar Yadav on ability and form are more deserving players.
Ishan Kishan has been knocking the door with his domestic performance
And
as well.
Manish
With
Pandey,
Sanju
even
Samson
though
has had a
he's
horrible one.
right. Even though Manish Pandey is injured, he should be out of the squad in any case. He's a finished player, right?
I think if either of Surya Kumar or Ishan take their chances, I don't think Manish is going to come back
Right.
Oh,
to
yeah,
the
yeah,
T20.
definitely. For sure.
Ankur, want to say something?
Yeah, I mean, I agree to most of them. Although, like Samson, yes, he hasn't been performing well. So yes, I have this personal bias towards him, maybe, but he hasn't been performing well. So it's okay that he has been left out. But more like, so we spoke about a lot about the batting and the what batting lineup is. For me, the biggest thing to look for in this series would be Hardik Pandya's bowling. Pandya hasn't been bowling for 2 years now. And if in these 5 T20 games, like out of these 20 overs basically from him, if we don't see, say, around 12 to 14 overs from Pandya, then we seriously have to look something, because I feel T20 is a format where you cannot go with 5 bowlers. There's no chance you
Yeah.
cannot go with five
Yeah.
bowlers.
Yeah. You need to
And
have
all
that.
the options, all the options we talk about, none of them bowl.
But the
So
thing is, Hardik Pandya, I think at this stage can come purely in as a batsman. His exploits in Australia have shown that.
no,
I mean,
I'm
I would
not
be
telling
He
him.
tempted to play
can, but
Hardik
we
Pandya
still
purely
need
even as a
another
batsman
bowler.
over many other options. He is
No, I'm not telling
extremely
Hardik Pandya will be taken out of the team. Hardik
okay.
Pandya will
I
definitely
understood
be.
Ankur's
See,
point.
if Hardik
Okay.
Pandya cannot bowl, then we have to look for another alternate as a sixth bowler. Then probably
Got
one of Sky and Kishan has to go out. Then we might
Exactly.
have to bring
Here has
Jadeja
to
and
start bowling.
Because we are assuming that Hardik Pandya will start bowling, so he can slot in at number 6. But if he's
exactly,
not
yes.
going to bowl, then
Fair
he's
enough.
playing purely as a batsman. Then both Sky and Kishan may say only one can
Only
play. And I
one.
think
Makes
in that
sense. Yeah,
case,
definitely.
Kishan
Agreed,
might be the
agreed.
better option because he's a lefty and he's in at number 4. He's been scoring so many runs for Mumbai, and we don't have many lefties anyway. So
Which is why
that's
probably
the
they have gotten a
yeah.
Tewatia, I'm guessing.
Right.
Yeah,
I think
actually,
Tewati is a good option just to try, I guess, because Jadeja is not there. I mean, I'm not a fan of him either. I don't rate him at all as
I
a
think
cricketer, but just
Chakravarti
tough on
will
spin.
also be preferred over Tewatia. Tewatia, I think he's one of those net bowlers, come back up, अगर कोई
Right,
injured
right,
हो गया and bio bubble का वो सब scene में, then probably he'll come to
right,
the
right.
line.
So someone like Chakravarti and all should get a chance. I just think use everyone who's in the squad so that at least everyone we can see how they're doing. I mean, even Varun Chakravarti, because of that one fifer he took, I think that's what caught the selector's eye. So let's just see. Hope he can, what do you call, justify that selection.
True. Chalo, Sid, you want to wrap this up with the
Yeah,
closing comments on
sure.
these spots?
I pretty much have the same thoughts. Everyone, I think I agree with Piyush that like uh, including Sky and Kishan is a very good move because they are the sort of dynamic batsmen that can play different roles. They can bat long, they can make bat like with impactful innings in the short, even if they get a few balls, as opposed to like previously we had Shreyas Iyer, Manish Pandey जैसे batsmen at 4 and 5 who can bat long but not make a lot of impact in a short amount of delivery. So I think it is a very positive move that we are going towards the right direction. We're finally thinking of T20 as England do, instead of just packing the side with accumulators and run gets accumulators who score at 120 strikes. I think, and I agree that Samson was a little hard done. Different debate whether or not he should have been included in the first place, but once he got a chance, I think he could have gotten longer row. But I can't say that Sky or Kishan don't deserve it more than him. They were much more impactful in the IPL, and that's the barometer that should be there for getting into the T20 side.
True. True. Chalo, let's wrap this up. Now we'll move on to the agenda of the podcast, which is the 4 teams that were left. So let's start off with Delhi Capitals. So what have Delhi Capitals done? Delhi Capitals have done a lot of shopping. They've got Steve Smith for almost like a steal. Umesh Yadav, Ripal Patel, Vishnu Vinod, Dupan Meriwala fillers, Manimaran Siddharth fillers. So basically they've added Smith, Umesh, Tom Curran and Billings to an already pretty complete squad because they made the finals, obviously one of the best teams last year. Uh, so I'll kick this off. I think they've done great with Smith because what Smith brings is like for like if you take another foreigner out for Rahane, which was something that they actually tried last time because they felt the gap between Ashad, Dhawan, and Iyer was too less because Iyer and Pant was too less. So they wanted to get someone in. They tried Rahane, it didn't work um at all actually. So they've got Smith probably for that number 3 role, which pushes Iyer to 4, Pant to 5, and then Stoinis to 6, and Hitmaier 6 out. So I think that is a great move, and they've got good backups. They already had Vokes as a backup to their pace factory of Rabada, Nokia, and Vokes can actually be an all-rounder as a backup to Stoinis as well. And they've added Tom Curran as well to that sort of battery of people who can do both. And then they've added Sam Billings because they probably wanted a wicket keeper. They let Alex Carey go, so they've added that. So all in all, pretty. I think Delhi has always been a uh, quite complete kind of franchise with their choices, and especially when ever since JSW has taken over, not always obviously, first. Initially, they were trash. So they've done well, I think, again. So let's start off with Pranav this time. What do you think, Pranav?
Yeah, so I think Delhi has done a good job of strengthening their side. I mean, of course, I'm not a fan of Steven Smith, and I don't think he is a player in this format that really offers a lot. But I guess, every team where you need one player who might, not be a big slogger, a big hitter, somebody who maybe can, steady the ship a little bit. So I guess him at number 3, because the others are not comfortable batting at number 3. Even Shreyas Iyer is not comfortable batting at 3. So I think keeping that in mind, also a senior player like Smith as captain and under Ricky Ponting, I think they wanted somebody like that also to be around the team. I don't mean he's captain. I mean he's a senior player, and along with Ricky Ponting,
Fine and
somebody who can
polished
guide the other guys.
things.
Yeah.
Since Iyer
Shreyas
being
Iyer
still
did
very
look
inexperienced,
clueless a lot of
Correct.
times.
Iyer is still very young. Clueless at times, still very young. So an experienced player in that sense, even around the squad also
Definitely.
helps. So that's a good signing. And Umesh Yadav, which I was saying even before in the pre-auction, is a very good buy
For sure.
because
Yeah.
again,
Back up to Ishan.
RCB released player, so
Told you, released by
he has a
RCB,
point.
always a winner.
He has a point to prove. And also, if you remember, when it was Delhi Daredevils in 2012 IPL, Umesh was one of their better bowlers. They made good pitches to suit the fast bowlers. So, and since anyway he likes bowling on skiddy pitches, he can come bowl 4 overs up front, maybe get 2 for even 35, which is okay because he's a guy who will go for runs, but couple of wickets he can pick up every match and still okay 8.59 and over he goes. You still trade that because he cannot bowl beyond the power play or beyond the first 8 overs. So I think that's a good signing by Delhi. And I think this year they will put up a better title challenge than last year in case they have to face Mumbai in knockout games. So I think it's a very good window for Delhi Capitals.
And I think, I think like overall it was a very good window. The only thing that slightly caught my eye was Tom Curran going for 5.25 crores despite his very poor IPL record. He's always gone for more than 10 economy rate. Was a little surprised to see that, but I'm guessing like Delhi wanted somebody to bowl those death overs in case Rabada and Nokia don't make it back in time from the Pakistan series. So yeah, and like even though he hasn't done well, but I guess like it's against supply and demand dynamics that there weren't a lot of players who could bowl in the death overs. So Tom Curran for 5.25 crore was a big punt, but let's hope it works out. I think Sam Billings is also a great backup signing. I think he's more suited to that finisher role than Hetmeyer or even somebody like Stoinis who also prefers to bat at the top. And he was in great form for England over the series where they had a lot of players out as well. So I think if required, I don't think he'll be in the consideration at the start, but Billings might be a good option if required. And he's also been around the Delhi camp.
I just want to add एक चीज और है कि शायद एक रबाड़ा कुछ मैचेस मिस करने वाला है या ऐसा कुछ है स्टार्टिंग गेम.
हाँ, उसने बोला कि he will prefer South Africa.
पर मुझे क्या लगता है कि सब इंटरनेशनल टीम क्या चाहेगी कि दे प्ले आईपीएल. मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है मतलब क्योंकि टी20 वर्ल्ड कप और
रबाडा ने पर्सनली बोला कि आई विल डेफिनेटली.
हाँ वो बोला है, पर अगर मेरे को पर अगर बोर्ड अगर बोलेगा कि तुम प्रैक्टिस के लिए खेलो, क्योंकि आई गेस लास्ट 3 जो वर्ल्ड कप होने वाले उसमें से 2 तो सब कॉन्टिनेंट में है, मतलब इंडिया में 50 ओवर 2000 मतलब 50 ओवर और नेक्स्ट टी20. मेरे को ये लग रहा है एक फैक्टर हो सकता है कि अपन लोग देखेंगे मोर प्लेयर्स माइट मे बी ड्रॉपिंग आउट एंड दे डोंट गिव वेटेज टू द इंटरनेशनल साइड. ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है. पर अगर रबाड़ा जैसे अगर बाहर होता है तो मेरे को लगता है
बाकी कंट्रीज में तो यही हो रहा है डेफिनेटली.
हाँ मेरे को लग रहा है एक रीजन टॉम करन का वो था कि टॉम करन का आईपीएल रिकॉर्ड अच्छा नहीं है, बट मैं शायद तक उसका कुछ ओवरऑल डोमेस्टिक रिकॉर्ड देख रहा था, वो अच्छा है, मतलब वे बेटर देन हिज आईपीएल रिकॉर्ड.
Tom Curran was in RR last year, if I'm not wrong, correct?
Yeah, he was in RR last year, and before that, he was in KKR. वो जो
Tom Curran got a 50
every time.
हाँ वो वाला गेम तो मैं कभी नहीं भूलूंगा. टॉम करन -3 तो वो तो ठीक है, पर वही मेरे को लग रहा है कि एक रबाड़ा जैसे वो डेथ में इतना अच्छा बॉलिंग नहीं करता और करन बेटर बॉलर है, तो एक रबाड़ा का लाइक टू लाइक रिप्लेसमेंट बोल सकते हैं. अगर रबाड़ा या नोकिया
that's extremely difficult. I mean, Rabada
T20 for 3 years and even in franchise cricket. Like,
Yeah,
बिल्कुल
so-
उसमें
नहीं
zero.
नहीं रबाड़ा के लेवल का तो कोई आएगा नहीं, but I think that's why they have probably picked up Umesh. So what they'll probably do is play Umesh instead of that, and then go for a strengthen by taking an all-rounder who can bowl in a few overs. So that's why probably Tom
I
Curran
think-
makes sense.
I would
That
prefer
makes
कि उमेश या शांत में से एक ही खेले, because like the two foreign pacers have to bowl in the death, and Umesh and Ishant both have to like bowl at the top. I think अगर दोनों तो वो redundancy हो जाएगी कि
हाँ, और
both
overall
ball bowlers will
Also,
have to
there is one
fight
very
in the
exciting player, Lukman Madiwala, who's a left armer quick, good
Yeah,
player,
he was-
exciting player, had a very good SMT and a domestic season. He's from Gujarat or Rashtra, I think, and they haven't had any left arm
Baroda.
seamers. So yeah, sorry, Baroda, correct. So I think he'll be a good addition for their squad. They have traded out Daniel Sams, who was a left armer, if I'm not wrong,
Daniel Sams was left
to
arm,
RCB.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I
And
think
Tushar Deshpande.
exactly. So those spots open up for them.
हाँ, अब मेरे पर वैसे भी दिल्ली का स्क्वाड मोर और लेस सेटल्ड ही था, जैसे मले बोल रहा था.
Yeah,
they've been to final,
but
so
they have
they
got
were
a few
already
more options to play with.
But
हाँ,
they've added
बस-
more options.
हाँ, और स्टीवन स्मिथ ऐसा है कि ऐसे सब बोल रहे एक्सपीरियंस तो वो तो 100% सही है. और
भाई
तो
घिस
लगता
देगा,
है
पूरा तराश देगा, वो घिस देगा सबको.
हाँ, और मेरे को नहीं लगता
अच्छे
उन लोग
से.
नोकिया और रबाड़ा को ड्रॉप करेंगे, क्योंकि लास्ट सीजन आई गेस दोनों का
हाँ.
बहुत अच्छा सीजन था. अनलेस एंड अनटिल दे आर नॉट अवेलेबल, आई डोंट
But
सी दिल्ली
one
ड्रॉपिंग
impo-
स्टॉइनिस,
हाँ,
रबाड़ा
तो-
एंड वो.
Yeah, but one important thing to understand is कि conditions will play a big factor. मतलब, so those two pacers were working. They worked for DC, they worked for MI. KKR tried it. It worked for us also for a couple of games. But the conditions there were different, right?
Yeah, but I think DC has Malay. If you think about it, DC has the best all condition squad. They have Amit Mishra as a spinner.
that
They
is
have
true.
Akshar Patel.
Ashwin.
They have got
Ashwin.
four good pace bowlers. Like let's say excluding Rabada, also if you look at it, it's Umesh Yadav, Ishant Sharma, and Nokia. All of them play cricket regularly. Maybe चलो T20 में शायद थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे हुआ, but all of them are regular players. So in terms of their bowling attack, I think it's the most versatile bowling attack of all the teams.
That is 100% true. I think Delhi is one of the
And
best. for
Umesh
the
is
credit
also
to-
like used to bowling on those low and slow pitches.
I think दिल्ली मेरे हिसाब से इस ऑप्शन में दिल्ली डिड द बेस्ट बिजनेस. और दिल्ली का एज मलय मेंशन कि जब से जेएसडब्ल्यू ने टेक ओवर किया है तब से दे हैव बीन डूइंग दैट. आई मीन जैसे स्टीवन स्मिथ एट 2.2 सीआर किसी ने सोचा ही नहीं था.
Correct.
Like me personally, man, I had to thought कि स्टीवन स्मिथ will definitely go to Punjab Kings.
इससे महंगा तो मतलब सैंडस्टोन और सैंडपेपर आता है भाई, मतलब.
हाँ. तो आई थॉट कि वो उधर जाएगा, बट अगेन उन्होंने जो भी छोटे छोटे गैप्स थे दे हैव फिल्ड अप. उन्होंने डैनियल सैम्स को ट्रेड किया, ले लिया एक फास्ट बॉलर. उमेश यादव एट 1 करोड़ इज आल्सो अ गुड डील. सैम बिलिंग्स भी सीएसके के लिए अच्छा खेला था. नॉट
the backup
दैट
for
ग्रेट,
Pant.
बट ठीक है ओवरऑल. हाँ, ओवरऑल ही हैव नहीं बैकअप ऑफ पंत नहीं, बेसिकली एलेक्स कैरी का वो.
Alex Carey was a-
हाँ,
but-
एलेक्स कैरी.
I think
अच्छा, they don't have
this
any
is
other
more
keeper in this squad. Sorry.
wait. So that
तो
is interesting. I mean,
ओवरऑल दे डिड वेल. मतलब
direct.
मेरे हिसाब से अकॉर्डिंग टू मी उनका सबसे अच्छा बिजनेस.
Sid, you were saying something?
Steve Smith का sandpaper एक साल खेला उनादकट के साथ, and he is still living off that season, made like 30 crore of that season. रबाड़ा नोकिया क्या करेंगे उसके साथ?
So, last comments on DC before we move on to our next team. I'll be very interested in what happens with Prithvi Shaw. I think that will be very, very interesting to see how DC handle Shaw, what he does. It'll be very interesting to see that.
I think it's
that's probably my-
Shaw slash Rahane because Steve Smith mostly 3 खेलेगा. Shaw अगर नहीं चला तो Rahane opening करेगा.
No, भाई drinks carry करने के लिए रखा है उसको, I'm pretty sure.
I hope
That's
so
what he should do.
because
That's what he deserves.
I don't rate Shaw at all. Like
Same. I think he's a
I-
useless trash player who's been hyped up by our media
Yes.
and the Bombay board.
Bombay
Should not be doing anything except carrying drinks around the team. Needs to-
I was extremely pissed off when Shaw had made that squad in West Indies, like जहाँ पे उसने
Yeah.
debut में सेंचुरी मारी.
Mayank should have been
Whereas
any day
Mayank
over.
should have
Any
been
day
in-
Mayank over Shaw in any format. I mean,
100 की बात चल रही तो
इधर है ना,
शॉ
Shaw
अभी
कहीं भी
50
नहीं।
मार दिया मस्त वाली. मुंबई बॉयज stepping up his game again.
No
I don't
pressure.
rate
na?
Shaw,
Delhi,
useless
Delhi,
player है
Delhi haven't made too many runs. So, chalo, Shaw will be
but ठीक है.
interesting. And now we will move to my favorite team, and I think also favorite team as well. Kolkata Knight Riders, 2 times champions, probably the third time loading because Shakib is back. So I was discussing with fellow KKR fans, and one thing that we actually had in common was we wanted Shakib back. So we were like really happy when Shakib was bought, and he was bought at a fairly decent price, and that really gives a very good dynamic to the side. And what we have done very well is we have got. I mean, every season you felt कि KKR starting 11 is great, but there are two problems with it. One, bowling, the Indian bowling especially, and second, what happens when Narayan or Russell don't perform. And Russell has not, and Narayan and Russell, for example, last season was not that great. Narayan in and out, banned, and all of those things. So what they've done now is they have gone and fixed those things. They've got Shakib, who would probably, I mean, if he plays, he can play instead of Narayan. He can play at three. He can play lower down the order like he used to play early. Quality assets, great spinner. They've got Sheldon Jackson, who's had a great domestic run. And I was listening to, I think, Joy on Quickbuzz, and he said that he's now the finished product that KKR thought he was when they had earlier signed him. So he's back. Vaibhav Arora, I haven't heard much of it. Karun Nair is one of the most interesting signings because they've got him for cheap. He's a proven player. He's really good. But I think it's more about where he is in his mind at the moment because 300 के बाद drop हो गया, then never made a comeback, then got dropped from the Kings 11 side for someone like Sarfaraz and all that. So there's a lot of baggage that Karun Nair is carrying. I hope he can just sort of put all of that back and play. Ben Cutting, I think, as a backup to Russell, pretty decent. Pawan Negi, another person who has had IPL experience, who was one of the very, I think he went for 10 CR, he went to RCB, so I don't know, 10 CR doesn't make that much sense if RCB has paid it. But he's there. And then finally, a very, very interesting buy, that was Harbhajan Singh at his base price. So we were saying Punjab will take Harbhajan coming back, son of soil. Mumbai will get him and all of that. But it was so surprising that KKR got him. So we'll start with Ankur. Ankur, what do you think? How good or how average or what has been this business? How did you make sense?
No, I am extremely happy with this business because I always had a problem with us having a small squad. Because पिछले 3-4 साल से KKR was having a small squad of 18-19 where we all knew कि first 11 बहुत अच्छा है, but अगर कुछ होता है तो then it's a problem. And we know कि although हम लोग रसेल को बैक करते हैं, but रसेल 14 का 14 गेम नहीं देता है. It has been at times where we have pushed Russell to the extreme कि Russell bowling मत करो, आके बैटिंग कर लो, या bowling कर लो, बैटिंग मत कर लो. तो so उस तरह से मतलब I am happy. एक और चीज जो हमारा जो केकेआर में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था कि नंबर 3 स्पॉट वाज ऑलवेज अ प्रॉब्लम क्योंकि ओपनिंग नारायण गिल वाजंट वर्किंग. Then you play अगर if you are playing Nitish Rana as opening, then 3 becomes again a problem. Then Tripathi को because of the injury problem we kept on कभी opening कभी नीचे कभी इधर कभी उधर. So now with the signing of Shakib and Karun Nair, I think वो number 3 का spot थोड़ा सा ये हो जाता है. Honestly, I feel Sunil Narine is not going to get all the 14 games anymore. I think Sunil Narine
will games. I also feel that for retirement and becoming a coach, he should play 0 games.
And it also तो इससे क्या होता है? इससे now the जो हमारे core players है, they can play in their most suitable role. So Morgan comes at 4, DK comes at 5, and Russell comes at 6. So they are on the only thing जो है एक और इंटरेस्टिंग चीज है which I feel the addition of Harbhajan and Pawan Negi will reduce a lot of pressure on Kuldeep क्योंकि उस स्क्वाड में हो रहा था प्रीवियसली अगर देख रहे थे कुलदीप वाज द सीनियर स्पिनर ओनली इन दैट स्क्वाड और उससे कुलदीप हैज एन एडेड प्रेशर. Another interesting point which I think Joy and Harsha Bhogle that podcast में they mentioned Harbhajan is the only right arm off spinner in the entire team.
Yeah.
So that is a good buy. I think Harbhajan will be given that mentor / player game where his main role would be probably to groom the likes of Varun Chakravarti and Kuldeep. And in between अगर कोई देख रहे कि वानखेड़े वगैरह में pitch towards the later of the tournament अगर pitch का थोड़ा condition खराब हो गया, then if we are trying to play more spinners, then we can probably bring him in. Overall, this team looks very settled. So I am happy. So I think Gill and Rana can be a solid opener. 3 में Shakib or Karun. Then we have 4, 5, 6, and then possible fast bowling. 7 में Cummins, and then we have fast bowling में yes, you can call it as inexperience, but KKR has been backing Kamlesh Nagarkoti
Nagarkoti
and
and
Mavi
Mavi.
and Prasidh Krishna. तो वो बैकिंग उनको मिलता रहेगा. सो ओवरऑल इट लुक्स मच सेटल. तो अभी क्या होगा, अगर कोई इंजरी भी होता है तो वी आर नॉट स्कैर्ड. पहले क्या होता है कि इंजरी हो गया तो किसको खिलाए.
Yeah.
So we have options, so that way I'm happy.
I think one important thing that has happened is earlier bowling we used to almost have 3 spots or 3 players who were like dicey out of the 5 or 6 that are going to bowl. You had two of Mavi, Prasidh and Nagarkoti. Both of them can have a bad day very easily. Spin mein, okay, you had Varun who did well last time. Kuldeep again has been up and down. And then Russell may or may not give you any overs. I mean, that's anybody's
Yeah.
guess, right?
And again,
So
same for
now-
Narayan, you never know कि कब
and
उसका
then Narayan.
action suspect हो जाएगा, and he
Exactly.
cannot bowl anymore.
And even with the normal action, I mean, his remodeled action, he's not that effective anymore.
Not that
He'll
effective.
probably be 4 overs, no wicket for 28 or 30 kind of stuff. So that's not good enough from a premium bowler. So, but now what
One
they've
thing
done
Narayan is for sure is Narayan is no more a power play bowler. Definitely is no more a power play bowler.
True. I think that has definitely gone. But now what they've
So
done is
in that way, we have Cummins who can bowl in power play. Harbhajan can also bowl in power
Harbhajan.
play. अगर खिला रहे.
I think
Yeah,
one
because-
interesting strategy from my side in KKR was retaining Tim Seifert. He had a breakout series in Pakistan recently. In the T20, he achieved his career best T20 rankings.
I think
Tim Seifert, they were having that
Usually.
rift also with Fleming, right? The Fleming had told out publicly that CSK would be going for Tim Seifert, and he's one player because Tim Seifert was brought in as a replacement for that guy.
Ali Khan. Ali Khan. No, Ali Khan.
No, not Ali. Ali Khan, yes.
It was Ali Khan only.
Yeah, Ali Khan was a replacement for someone. Then again, Ali Khan also got injured.
Ali Khan was, yeah.
So it was thought of that since he was brought in as a replacement, he'll probably be like left out. But we ended up retaining him, so that was good. Tim Seifert is also going to go. I think Tim Seifert can open also, right?
Yep. That's why I'm
he
saying.
Can open top order. He can back 3. And he might be.
So then becomes that you have to choose one between Ferguson and Cummins because you cannot. Then you have Russell and Shakib. I think Shakib will definitely play all the games. I
think Ferguson is anyway not. I think the first 4 will be Morgan, Russell, Cummins, and Shakib / Narayan for me.
I don't think Narayan should play. Does not make the cut.
He should not play, but I don't think Kolkata thinks the same way. Like McCullum has come out and said that he still thinks he's a match winner, and I don't think that fitness issue aside, which is very likely with Nareen and Russell. I think that Kolkata are going to have Morgan, Russell, Cummins and Nareen every single game if all 4 are fit. I personally don't see Shakib.
No, it depends on Narayan's bowling because Narayan's batting is gone and he's not bowling for sure.
Nareen has been bowling poorly for 2 seasons
and one place where I would like to contradict Malayan.
Team management is on a different wavelength.
No, I agree with Siddhi that Nareen's bowling is horrible, but one place where I contradict
merit is a different thing. I personally also think that Nareen should not be there, but I think KKR will still.
No, but that also had we did not have any option, right? We did not have a foreigner spinner only. International spinner we did not have. As simple as that. We had Lockie Ferguson.
But why do you need foreign spinners when you see the point? That's what I'm trying to make.
Lockie Ferguson took a 5 for 1 Kolkata match and he was still replaced for the
actually,
game.
It's not about I think the bowling aspect, but Narayan, what he does and what I think our management really likes is having that tonker who can just come in and smoke some runs out of nowhere.
Which
he did in one game against.
I don't have a lot
he only does that against RCB. To be fair,
he did that against Delhi and
Delhi last
one of the great innings. One of the most game-turning kind of innings.
All have mediocre captains. He does well. Who don't know that Nareen has 2 very huge weaknesses, which is Kohli and Iyer.
So, yeah, but I think one thing.
If you bowl Tushar Deshpande at him, he will smash him.
Yeah, but he smashed Ashwin as well. So, I mean, that's.
Yeah, but I think one point I think is that
he will smash him.
The buy of Harbhajan I think is a it should be a worrying sign for Kuldeep. I mean, to be fair, that's Varun Chakravarti, Shakib, and Harbhajan, and then Kuldeep now becomes. I mean, technically, right now he's down the pecking order above below Varun. Shakib definitely will bowl 4 overs if he's playing. So Kuldeep definitely is going through a phase where he needs to kind of rediscover himself.
So, but for me, I think
I'm
Kuldeep.
surprised that Kolkata didn't try to trade him because I think other franchises would value him a lot more and they could have gotten a top order batsman in exchange for Kuldeep. I'm surprised they didn't try to do that.
Maybe,
But
they
ये
got-
यही है
Kuldeep
कि
will get
I
games.
think it shouldn't have been released for the auction but I think like in the trade window they could have gotten great value for it
हाँ
because
वही
a lot of franchises would have been on the account.
पर केकेआर का
maybe-
विंडो से ये एक दिक्कत आ गई, अब इन लोग का सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया वो हो जाएगा मतलब। पर शाकिब का ये है कि आई गेस उसने अभी तक कोई T20 या लिमिट T20 खेला नहीं है आने के बाद, बैन के आने के बाद, और खेला भी होगा
अभी
तो
तो
वन
आया।
हाँ
नहीं
वन और
खेला,
मैच।
injured
हाँ
हो
तो
गया।
हाँ तो मेरे को क्या लग रहा है कि अगर केकेआर का मेन मेरे को लग रहा है ओपनिंग उन लोग करेंगे त्रिपाठी और
Tripathi होगा.
गिल
Gill.
से, और शाकिब
त्रिपाठी
नहीं
अच्छा
खेलेगा
लगना
क्योंकि
है।
राणा वाज गुड एट इन पार्ट्स नंबर 3 में, मतलब ऐसा नहीं था तो उन
And he
लोग
can bowl a few overs as well.
हाँ
They
तो उन
pushed
लोग
him at the top towards the end.
They
I
pushed
think
him at
Rana
top.
and Gill.
I think Rana and Gill
Rana
will be the opener.
more
पर
sense.
पता नहीं
Why
पर
not Tripathi? Tripathi is so much good at it. You already succeeded with Tripathi as the opener.
In the one innings and
One
then
of them. Then
one innings and plus he got found out a bit. I mean, he has that thing कि उसको 5
Like and even Rana got found out by the latter half. He was struggling against leg
Yep,
spin and
yep.
quality pace. I think
हम्म,
if you have Tripathi and Rana, I think like in the top three, I don't think any other franchise has 2 1-cap players in the top three, and I think against attacks like Rabada and Nokia, Bolt and Bumrah, like they might
वो
struggle a
सही
little.
Yeah, I
सही
think
Fair
top
point.
3 तो
And
double
anyhow-
Great point.
anyhow I am telling you one thing, वो
Not a
KKR के
genuine match winner
contract
in T20 yet.
KKR's contract has only 2 losses against Mumbai Indians written. So agar, even if we have say World 11 so we will lose against Mumbai. So वो है तो
पर वही है
even if
कि
you start with Rohit and say KL Rahul in the
कुछ
opening,
कहना
you
चाहते
have
हो?
Virat Kohli.
नहीं
So
वो तो ठीक है, केकेआर मेरे लिए इररिलेवेंट टीम है, पर ठीक है वो
Oh.
सब
ओहो
पर ये है कि ये प्रॉब्लम है कि अब केकेआर का मेन कि उन लोग 2 फॉरेन पेसर के साथ जाते हैं, लॉकी फर्ग्यूसन कमिंस, कि उन लोग पूरे यंग टैलेंट्स को बैक करते हैं, मतलब मावी
I
नागरकोटी
think
और
वो
प्रसिद्ध
with the
कृष्णा।
setup वो जा नहीं सकते unless they drop Russell
हाँ
or
वही
Naveen.
क्योंकि अगर
Yeah,
दो
actually
I don't think
it
the
opens
call
up
is correct.
options. To be honest, the best thing that I liked was I personally feel just we'll move on to this after this. Key our starting four is going to be Cummins, Russell, Narayan, and Morgan, which is going to. But if things don't work out with any of them, we have options at least.
yeah,
we
so
can
this is what my
switch
point
on.
है। अभी जो हम
That's
लोग ये
crucial.
डिस्कस किए 10 मिनट
हाँ।
पहले KKR would have been done in 5 minutes कि this is the playing 11, अगर playing 11 पूरे 14
Exactly.
मैच खेल दी तो KKR is a good team। अगर बीच में रसल का क्वेश्चन मार्क और नारायण का क्वेश्चन मार्क हो गया then there is a problem which KKR has।
Exactly.
Now
But
we
now
don't
what you
have
can do
that
is
much problem, we have some
you can
options।
you can now go Shakib, Morgan, Cummins, and Lockie just to bolster completely your bowling with Cummins and Lockie Ferguson, and Shakib gives an extra batsman. And you
You can
drop
play
both.
Ben
Russell and-
Cutting also। I mean Ben Cutting
Ben-
is man
exactly.
of
Ben
the
Cutting
match।
is a good player. MI का proven
Yeah.
player है. He's a pro. I
नहीं,
think
वो
he has won
हैदराबाद को
an
IPL
IPL.
जीता है ना।
एसआरएच
he
से भी
was-
जीता है, एमआई से भी
Man
जीता
of the match in the final of the IPL that SRH won against RCB.
Yeah, I remember that very well.
RCB were like strolling in that chase. Gale
114 for 1.
है। मैच
Yeah,
स्टेडियम में
114
था वो
for
मैच
Kohli
में,
stat padding is way to 2,000 runs.
Ask RCB fans.
मैं
Then
तो
they lost
स्टेडियम में था।
comfortably, actually. It was not like he
That
entered
game
to
was
start.
only that Watson leaking a lot of runs right towards the end।
हाँ वो चिन्ना स्वामी वाला
Watson
मैच
went
था,
for like 50 plus.
और
Ben
क्या
Cutting
हारी
was
थी।
made a lot of runs.
जो
So
आरसीबी फैंस रोए थे उस दिन, दिल को खुशी मिली।
तो यही है कि आई एम एटलीस्ट हैप्पी वी हैव ऑप्शंस। मतलब यू कैन थ्रो इन पवन नेगी, अगर बैटिंग थोड़ी वीक लग रही है तो थ्रो इन पवन नेगी, ही कैन बैट। हरभजन एक्सपीरियंस, so pretty happy. I mean, I don't know if we'll challenge for the title, but I'm confident we'll probably make.
I personally think Kolkata will be there for the wooden spoon. I don't rate their squad, but let's see how it goes.
Let's see.
I don't. I mean,
We'll move
Kolkata has
on
a great
to-
squad, but there is a reluctance to use the reluctance to drop Narayan and also will cause them is what my assessment for the season is.
Talking
By the
about
time they
wooden
bring in others, it
spoon,
will be
we
too
have
late.
Chennai Super Kings.
No, yeah, I think the reluctance last
exactly.
season and the last couple of seasons or last 3 seasons actually was there because option needed. Because
That's what.
there was no one who was even close to the pedigrees of Narayan and Russell, or who
I
someone
mean,
who
we
could
had the
even
likes of Jason Holder and Brathwaite, guys. I mean, you can
हाँ
understand.
मतलब
And even
Carlos
Tom
Brathwaite,
Banton, I think, could have gotten a bigger chance last season. But
but they preferred Seifert over Banton. I mean
different
दोनों को
type of
carry
player.
करके हाँ
Old age home.
तो अभी ठीक है चलो let's go to Dad's Army now.
Another wooden spoon contender.
भाई सब लोग
I disagree strongly. I think
beard
Chennai
filter
are-
needed for everyone right now to discuss this. सब लोग दाढ़ी सफेद दाढ़ी का filter लगा लो. Respects.
So I personally totally
And,
disagree with what Sid said. I think Chennai are going back to the top four very easily because they have addressed 3 top concerns that I felt were there last time. The first was Rena is back. CSK with Rena is different. I know Rena has been not playing for some time and everything and all that, but he's Mr. IPL. He's going to turn up for sure this season, and he's back. And him at 3 just makes everything look so much better. Then they fixed another thing that they didn't have. They didn't have off spinners, so they've got Moeen Ali now, who's really perfect for their batting lineup, and you can finish with Moeen Ali and gives a sort of cushion to Jadeja and Sam Curran and everyone who was finishing games for them last time. Krishnappa Gautam for the highest ever and uncapped.
Very
player
good
at
buy.
20. Another very good buy. We were thinking Dubey would be the one everyone would go after, but not really. They've gone after Gautam and they've got him. Harishankar Reddy, Bhagat Verma, Harim Shah, I think they're Tamil Nadu local players. But the buy that got the most solid applause from the auction was Cheteshwar Pujara at his base price of 50 lakhs.
Fantastic
So
applause.
so
Big
that
legends
I
in the
don't know
team
if
to
it's
get respect.
sarcastic. Balaji, Lakshmipati Balaji was there at the auction for CSK. He said that they felt Cheteshwar Pujara deserved that kind of respect for what he's done for the team in the test, and that's why they bought him.
None of the seven.
My thing
other
was that
seven
then you
we thought
probably could have, then they could have probably bought Hanuma Vihari.
And that's what I
पर अब
Well, but
पुजारा
चलो ठीक है.
पुजारा के लिए कोई नहीं बोल रहा है कि मोर डिजर्विंग T20 players didn't get a chance. Pujara is taking the ये
we'll have to
Pujara, I
seriously
feel.
Are we seriously going to
Let
talk
me
about
put
Pujara
water-
versus Arjun?
Let me put water on the fire. I don't think so. Pujara will play IPL.
Yeah,
Pujara
sure.
will
But
go.
I think it was just
He'll go to England.
sentimental and PR
Play
guy.
county.
I know. I think Pujara will play IPL in CSK colors. I think he is going to at least play a couple of games.
It
I
also
don't know
depends
why.
on what role he is being offered. I mean, Pujara, I think he
And
wouldn't be
it
okay
also
with.
depends on how early CSK are knocked out.
It will
I
depend
think it depends on how much Raidu's fitness. If
No,
Raidu
not
is
fitness.
Hello, we'll
I
go
think
one by
just
one. We'll start with
after,
Ankur. Yeah,
So
Ankur.
Pujara, I feel it depends on what role he's being offered. I don't think so. If Pujara is being offered such a role, yes, you get the first 2-3 games and basis on your performance, then / mentorship, because Pujara likes to play county, and that is the English county season. We have 5 test matches in England. Pujara is one of the most important players of our squad. I think if not given much a bigger role in the squad, which I don't think so, because since they have brought in Uthappa, I think Uthappa could be their one of the opening choices. Yes, I'm absolutely happy with Pujara getting sold, but I don't think so he'll play IPL. I think he'll prefer county over IPL.
पर उसमें
If he
एक बोला था
And he will
CSK
stick around and he will decide closer to the end of IPL whether or not.
Yeah.
So
But
he
if he
will
doesn't,
start
if he goes away from IPL and plays county, then there is no reason for anyone to buy him ever again, to be honest. Because you've given your name, you've come in there, and I don't think Pujara, obviously massive respect to him, but I don't think he can command a role on himself based on his T20 performances. He probably has to live with whatever the team needs or whatever he's going to get. So, I mean, I don't think I agree with.
If you want to play county, then don't enter your name in the option.
Yes,
I
think what Ankur said-
personally feel. The worst affected person by this decision will be Josh Hazelwood, having to bowl at Pujara again in the nets. But everyone knows I'm a huge Pujara fan. Since his early days. So I always rate him highly, and he has a knock of 100 of 60 balls. He knows how to bat
Yeah.
aggressively. We have never seen that side of him because we have always put him in the.
Just 1-6 in that 100, by the way. I think
Yeah, so,
19 fours and 1-6.
Yeah, 1-6.
so
Just one.
I don't
All
think it's
30 also has a
completely
120 or
it's
50 ball.
possible that he won't ever get a chance. I think CSK would have definitely thought about it. I mean, he if CSK is going to make spinning tracks, I mean Pujara definitely kind of can take up one of the spots.
Badrinath role. That's what
Yeah, the
I was
Badrinath
thinking
role,
of it.
exactly.
Yeah, when they bought him, that they can fit him in that Badrinath role, but I don't know if they need.
But Pujara doesn't make into the first 11 for CSK.
Sure,
Definitely.
yeah, sure.
Definitely doesn't make.
I agree.
There are so
With
many
Raina,
options. Like
Raidu,
Jagdishan
Dhoni,
was
Jadeja.
scorer inside Mr.
Because
Jadeja
openers
is still injured.
they
And
have
those are the
this guy, right? They have that that young guy who played
Gaikwad.
Gaikwad.
Rituraj Gaikwad
He'll definitely
slash
open.
yeah
और
slash
जगदीशन भी तो अच्छा
Uthappa.
खेल रहा है ना.
No, Rituraj Gaikwad or Uthappa with Duplessis. That's CSK's
Yeah,
opening.
Jagdishan
Yeah, that's- Yeah, I
Raina
agree
one
with that.
down, 2 drop.
Raina one down, Raidu 2 drop, then Dhoni,
Moeen Ali,
Moeen Ali,
गौतम भी है, जडेजा,
Sam
Then
Curran,
Sam
Sam Curran.
and then their bowlers take over. Deepak Chahar, Shardul Thakur, and
There are
everything.
too
I
many
really think it's,
multi-dimensional batsmen to meet somebody like a Badrinath role. Like they pretty much will bat till 11 with Shardul and Deepak Chahar can also bat. So it's
yeah,
not
I
that I
said
feel
that.
like
That's what I'm saying. So I
Badrinath
really
role
think.
setup.
So I really think they have done really well. CSK.
Yeah, they have
Because
done.
if you look at their lineup, I mean, it's very balanced. They've got proven players. Dhoni obviously will get the best out of most of them. I would still think last season was an aberration. The COVID thing and then Raina going on suddenly and everything just put them back. So I really think CSK are going to be back this year. They're going to be back really big.
They didn't have Harbhajan also last season, right?
Yeah, they didn't have
They didn't
Harbhajan.
have Harbhajan. Also, I think their team last season was primarily built for spin. This year, I mean, like
think that
Bravo
is
was
the
also, I think,
key.
injured most of the season last time.
Bravo was
was
also
not
injured.
playing.
But I
wow.
think they have mentally moved on from Bravo for sure because the kind of buys they have made, they've thought, ki chalo, Sam Curran is going to replace Dwayne Bravo. Maybe 3-4
I'm just
years down the
surprised they
line.
didn't trade out Mitchell Santner. I mean, that's the only surprise I have.
They've been carrying him for very long. So
मेरे ख्याल से 4 फॉरेनर्स जो होंगे सीएसके के वो फैफ, सैम करन, मोइन अली और 4th
Lungi / Hazelwood, one of them.
हाँ.
Depending on
I think they'll start with Ngidi. Or if it's a Ryan Turner, then
हाँ.
Tahir.
maybe Tahir, otherwise
ताहिर भी है ना अभी भी कि ताहिर को रिलीज कर दिया.
Tahir.
Tahir, I still understand. He has done a lot, but I don't understand why Santner is still kept in the squad. I mean,
वो तो ठीक है
no
पर
disrespect. I think he's a good player, but they hardly use him. He could have gotten with some playing time. I don't know why he's just
but
kept around.
the thing is I think CSK management told
nepotism.
अरे हाँ पर CSK मैनेजमेंट ने बोला कि अगर पुजारा को कोई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट आता है काउंटी से, इंग्लिश काउंटी से, so they will be more than happy to have him go.
See,
तो
I
मतलब
told you,
उन लोग ने सोच के लिया कि if offer comes for पुजारा, they are more than happy to leave him. पर मेरे को समझ में नहीं
Plus,
आया.
नहीं, that is also a good deal है पीयूष, क्योंकि अगर हम लोग देख रहे हैं, honestly, if we hope, I think mostly if we finish, if we qualify for the WTC final, then वो भी Lords में है, then we have 5 Test match series in England. So I think it's a good deal.
That it is better for India, but then Pujara को नाम नहीं डालना चाहिए था. Is what I'm thinking.
हाँ, वो एक debate है.
For the IPL.
Yeah, but why should he definitely go and play like 4 months of county in COVID times in bio bubbles?
हाँ,
I
क्यों
mean,
खेलना चाहिए? वो तो उसके
तो
ऊपर
उसकी
है.
भी मर्जी है ना. I mean,
क्योंकि उसको हमारा इज्जत बचाना है आगे. हमारा
वो तो
इज्जत
बचा ही लेगा, पुजारा बचा ही लेगा. तो full trust है.
Like दोनों जगह मुंह मारना, I don't feel very professional.
That is.
पर ठीक है, जो भी है, सीएसके का विंडो मेरे को अच्छा लगा.
मतलब
मतलब उन लोग ने जो अच्छे प्लेयर साइन किए, मोइन अली, गौतम और काफी यंगस्टर भी साइन किए और उनका गायकवाड़ और शायद जगदीशन भी है ना अभी अच्छा जो खेल रहा है, वो भी
अच्छा खेलता है. करेक्ट. तो बहुत डेप्थ आ गया.
Definitely not having a poor season like last. I mean, I disagree with
I
Sid.
agree.
Domestically.
Yeah,
I mean,
definitely.
like Sid said, they are probably going to bat till 11. They are with Gautam, Shardul, Deepak Chahar, Moeen Ali, Sam Curran, Jadeja. There are so many people who can bat and bowl. So I'm pretty sure they're going to bat till 10 or 11 for sure. Maybe when Ngidi plays or Tahir plays, he can't bat.
Fun will be to see Dhoni come out at number 9. I mean,
I won't rule that out, मतलब because 9 तक
I
तो
know. I'm
option
a
है.
big Dhoni fan. I
राम
know,
चरण
just
भी
for
मार
fun.
सकता है, जडेजा भी मार सकता है, तो ऑप्शन तो है कि 9 गौतम को भी भेज दिया ऊपर. Maybe हो भी जाए, मतलब
And I
won't be
think it's a
too
good
sure.
Uthappa is
strategy.
also an
वो
interesting-
सामने वाले team is, I think, still Dhoni commands and should command the respect of opposition teams, that you save your best bowlers for Dhoni. And in that, they probably exhaust their average bowlers against Sam Curran. So, and which can, definitely works out well for CSK. I mean, just the presence of Dhoni in the dugout is often enough for teams to hold back their best bowlers.
Agree.
I
चलो.
also liked Uthappa's. Last point.
I think it depends whether or not they play
Uthappa's
Tip-Off.
trade.
If they play Tip-Off, there's going to be a top 4 team. They'll win at least 5-6 matches there. I think that is the crucial thing that they lacked last season. Usually they're an average away side, but really good at home. But let's see how that goes.
Chalo, we'll move on to the final team of this podcast. Punjab Kings. No more Kings 11. They are now Punjab Kings. PBKS.
How
had
do
the
you
most
rename?
budget.
How do you rename teams? इस पंजाब वाले से पैक बना के बोला यार अब तो नाम चेंज करते हैं, and they went about it.
We
इतना
have
creativity.
Most
the
disappointing
lion now.
window.
Yeah, the lion now is used in 4 IPL logos. It's part of the CSK logo, of course, from the beginning. RR logo. Now Punjab also have it, and I think DC also has a tiger or a lion or something like that.
नहीं
RR
गुजरात
has a
Lions
lion.
था ना?
RR has an elephant, right? If I'm not wrong. RR did not
I
have
think
lion.
they have both. I don't know. Maybe I have that here.
RCB has.
RCB तो चलो, they are
has.
now.
RR used to have it in their older one.
RCB has. RCB also
RCB
has.
has.
Lion trying to dance or something. Pretty much like the first logo. Chalo. Punjab Kings had the most budget. They have spent it. They spent a good part on one of the signings that we're going to discuss, obviously, Riley Meredith. But apart from that, David Malan, Kai Richardson,
Best buy of the auction,
signing.
hands down.
Shah Rukh Khan comes in, Riley Meredith, sort of an unknown commodity, but people in Australia rate him very highly. So he's come for a big package as well. Moises Enriquez, goodbye, replacement for what they had in James Neesham last time. Jalaj Saxena, Utkarsh Singh, Fabian Allen, great buy, I feel. Hasn't got a chance with Sunrisers at all, so it'll be interesting to see what he does now, and Saurabh Kumar and other spinners. So
there भी chance नहीं मिलेगा.
in truth, 4 big signings, all overseas: Malan, Jai Richardson, Meredith, Enriquez, and to some extent Allen. So let's start. Let's start with Darshil this time.
Yeah, I just feel that with 18 crore left in the bank, and Morris getting sold for 16, that's a miss. I mean,
That's a big.
they should. I don't know why they did not. I mean, Morris in that squad would have made it absolutely lethal. I mean, definitely Meredith is a great buy. Jai Richardson is a great buy. They got David Malan, who's, I think, for me, that is the buy of the auction. Across all the buys, irrespective of teams requiring players, not requiring players, David Malan, the number 1 T20 batsman for the last 2 years, bought at base price, has to be the steal of the auction. And if you have achieved that, it makes no sense to take back 18 crores and let Morris go to someone else. Morris was the
They
player
did
of
the
this
same
auction.
last year as well. They saved 16 crores last year.
Yeah,
I
exactly.
agree.
So,
But one point there. So just one point about that Malan thing. So we had College Munro, right? One of the best international T20 players. Maybe you can argue he hasn't been used to his full capacity in the IPL, but he has, for all practical purposes, bombed in the IPL.
Chris Lynn also.
Martin Guptill as well.
Martin Guptill. So I mean, I'm
Darcy
not
Short.
very.
वो सब तो
Golden
BBL
standard for player.
तो
Golden
गरीबों
standard
का
for
लीग
player
है.
is Darcy Short, I think.
Yeah, but Munro, for example, is a very
Malan
close
actually
example.
failed in the BBL. He didn't even have a big BBL.
So it'll be interesting to see how he does in the PSL. By the way, that has started yesterday.
Yesterday.
गरीबों का लीग.
वहाँ पर हाँ गरीबों का लीग, बट वहाँ के कुछ प्लेयर यहाँ भी खेलते हैं. तो कल मैं बेन कटिंग को देख रहा था वहाँ पे, made 10 of 12. I was not very happy, but yeah, चलो जो भी है.
Yeah, so overall, I think apart from that, they've added good bowlers. Jai Richardson and Riley Meredith definitely good buys. Fabian Allen is a good power hitter. Their last season, I think probably one thing they struggled with was at the death. I mean, Andrew Tye wasn't as effective. So I think probably
Jordan.
Riley Meredith kind of addresses that. Again, that's why I'm surprised that they let some proven death
Morris
bowlers like
go.
Mustafizur and Morris go. So
Yeah, very
it's just
surprising.
surprising
And
that
also,
they,
one big thing I would want to bring up
Harbhajan.
is their, yeah, Harbhajan, and then the second thing was their big problem last time was after Puran kya kare. So many games they sort of bottled because there was no one towards the end to hold. Maxwell was not doing his job,
They
obviously.
still haven't solved that problem.
They didn't
Like
solve it at all.
pretty much.
There were so many options that they could have
Yeah.
gone for. Moeen Ali tha,
They have.
Morris tha,
ये गौतम था,
Richard-
I mean, to an extent.
Gautam tha.
There's
And-
not a single cricketer in that team who can reliably bowl 4 overs and bat, other than Fabian Allen, who you have to then drop one of Gale Pooran.
Will join.
I don't think
Not
Fabian
a-
Allen can bowl 4 overs. So,
Fabian Allen cannot bowl
Yeah.
4 overs.
Yeah, and like
Yeah.
other than him, there's nobody even remotely considerable.
exactly.
और
जो
सब
3-4 ओवर भी देते हैं.
I think David Malan can play down.
big
It's not
talent.
as an opener. No, नीचे भी खेल सकता है, if I'm not wrong.
But he's not effective there.
But,
मतलब
but they are top 3 anyhow fixed, right? I mean, if you're opening with Gale and Rahul, then you have to play Mayank at 3.
yeah, I
Yeah.
think they won't change.
I think
Mayank
Mayank
can
will,
play at the top.
Mayank will open, Gale will play at 3.
Mayank is the best
Played at
young
3
Indian
in the
talent, so
PSL
yeah,
as
we
well.
should open.
Gale, by the way, batted at 3 yesterday in the PSL game as well. So I think this kind of-
Then my question is, might as well,
Yeah.
अगर राहुल को इंडिया में ओपनिंग में उसको ऐसे ही स्पॉट नहीं मिल रहा है, honestly white ball में तो I don't think so Rahul will play as an opener in the India team. Might as well play Rahul at 3, let him play at 3, let him
I
groom
don't think
himself.
Punjab are very concerned about the India team. उनको
No.
अपने
I'm talking because Rahul is the captain, right? He has a call now. Rahul is the captain. I mean, he can-
One thing I would at this point say is that for probably to solve that finisher's role, they have signed Shah Rukh Khan. He is a kind
वो
of,
खेलेगा.
but again, it's like you are going taking a punt on an unknown player. That's the thing. I mean, like he plays that role.
Like
And
for
that's why
me,
Punjab
honestly,
don't have the best record with Tamil Nadu hype bias. Last 2 seasons, they have a RCBS curse with Tamil Nadu bias. Varun Chakravarti, 8.4 crore, paid, went to KKR, called up by India. T. Natarajan, 5 crore, failed, went to Sunrisers, called up by India. Shah Rukh Khan also.
नटराजन पंजाब में था पहले.
Punjab. Yes.
Oh.
हाँ. He was
Even
bought for
Kisan
5
Karyappa
crores,
was
released,
he's not
and then
Kisan
Sunrisers bought him
Karyappa
for
failed,
near the-
but Kisan Karyappa was bought
पर
first by
पंजाब-
Punjab, then
मेरे
KKR
को
and now.
पंजाब की स्ट्रैटेजी थोड़ी वियर्ड लगी. कैसे सब बोल रहे हैं अब उनके पास जैसे डेविड मलान ओपनर, केएल राहुल ओपनर, मयंक अग्रवाल ओपनर, क्रिस
गेल
गेल
ओपनर.
ओपनर. ये 4-5 प्लेयर तो ओपनर दिया. अगर अब
Pooran is top 3 batsman, I would say.
हाँ,
Gujarat Lions from few
तो
years back.
मेरे को क्या लग रहा है अब उन लोग जाएंगे वापस. केएल मयंक ओपनिंग, गेल 1 डाउन, पूरन 2 डाउन,
Puran 2 down.
फिर शाहरुख
Same
खान,
ही है.
और उसके बाद तो इनके पास कोई
सरफराज.
बैटिंग ही नहीं बचेगी फिर.
वही तो
Exactly.
it's the same.
Yahuda में
That's what I think.
number 7 पे
That's what
Guy Richardson गिराना पड़ेगा.
before the start of the podcast I was telling Punjab. I think Punjab has the poorest business.
Yeah.
I mean, they
Like
had
the amount of money
the
they had.
amount of money they had. I mean, उन लोग
Not-
किसी
not
यार उन
just
लोग
but-
I think like
look at the जैसे उनके पास पैसा था, the amount of players who got for prices, they could have brought in Steve Smith, they could have got in
Shakib.
Shakib Al Hasan. they बहुत सारे
Moeen.
ऑप्शन थे हाथ
they
में.
could have
Moeen-
bought literally every player in the auction. They
Yeah.
had enough to
Morris
buy.
क्यों नहीं लिया अभी तक समझ नहीं आएगा. Always a mystery.
You actually look at the kind of businesses teams with lesser budget like DC, MI, KKR and all have done. And then you look at this because if you look at Punjab side, literally nothing has changed from what they did last.
Nothing else, nothing.
Apart
I
It
from
was
like,
surprising.
I am-
Like it was
like,
very
Apart
surprising.
from like
Punjab,
probably
like,
addressing the
India,
death bowling woes with Meredith, which I don't know if he's a death bowler specialist,
yeah.
but
and
They got
Guy
Meredith
Richardson.
and Jai. So Jai
Their
Richardson is an
balance is still
upgrade on.
not out. Middle order is not out.
तो फैबियन
Jai
एलन किधर
Richardson-
बैटिंग करता है? फैबियन एलन
वो
Lower-
नेट्स में
lower
बैटिंग
middle.
करेगा.
क्योंकि अगर
Fabian
फैबियन
Allen
एलन
is
को
number
खिलाए
10,
तो
but-
फिर बॉलर ड्रॉप करना पड़ेगा उनको 2.
हाँ, वही तो.
हाँ, तो वही
last time-
balance issue फिर भी रहेगा.
Last time they had what?
Which
Jordan
Morris
and
would have gone
Cottrell.
number 7.
Jordan and Shami.
They last time they had Cottrell. They have upgraded Cottrell over Jai to Jai. Fair enough, good one. उसके अलावा
That is the one upgrade they made.
that
They
उसके
should have.
बाद
I still can't. I think last podcast में मैंने बोला था कि Jason Behrendorff is a proven bowler. He World Cup खेला है, अच्छा bowling किया. How can he go unsold? Base price में ले लेते यार. Last में तुम्हारे पास 18 करोड़ था. Base price पे उठा लेते उसको.
भाई कितने प्लेयर जाने दिए. They have let go of players such as See, let's say if they were not looking at openers, I mean, just for middle
Smith,
order, they
man.
were Smith था, Kedar Jadhav could have easily outbid SRH. SRH को
दुबे
ऐसा नहीं था.
दुबे
Kedar Jadhav in a
Dubey.
middle order for them, where they
Yadav,
have struggled historically.
Gautam,
Ke
Moeen
Gautam,
Ali,
Moeen Ali.
Shakib, Morris.
Like before the podcast, me and my friend when we were discussing, we had दो चीज तो हमने डिसाइड कर ही लिया था, मतलब हमने वी आर नोइंग कि मैक्सवेल इज गोइंग टू आरसीबी एंड स्मिथ इज कमिंग टू पंजाब. These two things we were like quite certain ki Smith is definitely coming to Punjab, and Smith at Punjab would have been a very good buy.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, because he would have been the sort of anchor for Gale,
Yeah.
Puran, and all these.
And senior member, I know वो
And allowed
ड्रेसिंग
KL
रूम
to
में
actually
बोलता कि
bat
सैंड
for wins
सैंड
and
पेपर से
overall
बॉल
wins.
घिस लो, बट स्टिल he was senior member, captain. केएल राहुल को थोड़ा सा अगर, क्योंकि वी हैव सीन केएल राहुल स्ट्रगलिंग इन प्रेशर सिचुएशंस लास्ट ईयर, वो होता है, वो पहली बार आई थिंक he's captaining a squad first time in his career. I don't think so he has even captained the India
मेरे को
A.
लगता है इन लोग पंजाब वाले बिना
They even let
प्रिपरेशन
Karun Nair go, who was a middle order batsman. They haven't replaced him as well.
कुछ
Right?
भी कर रहे हैं, पता नहीं बिना
Karun Nair
प्रिपरेशन.
is, I think,
They'll play
I think
Sarfaraz
Punjab
or
will
Shahrukh Khan.
completely look for a squad overhaul next year, because I was
Again.
very with Kumble being there, I thought they will do a better business, but
Yeah.
Interesting thing that Kumble said
I
was
think it's like
during the
owners
auction.
का डायरेक्टिव होगा कि certain पैसे बचाने हैं, कि because 2 साल लगातार वही लास्ट ईयर 16 करोड़ बचे.
but पैसे बचा के फायदा थोड़े ना, अगले ये
बोलूंगा
पैसे
यार, तुम लोग सीरियस हो, तुम्हें जीतना है. Like
Yeah.
current team, like you're serious about winning if you're saving 20 crores every year just to make up the numbers. Like if you're serious हो, तो we have such a good squad that you can upgrade on with that kind of money.
वही,
And if
और
you're
फिर
serious,
ब्लेम करेंगे कि
then
हमारे पास रिसोर्सेज नहीं है, अंबानी रिसोर्सेज लेके पूरा प्लानिंग कर रहा है. भाई तुम्हारे पास पैसा है.
तो एक सबका सेम सैलरी कैप है यार.
हाँ वही, अरे उसमें उस पैसों में कम से कम, हाँ वही मैं बोल रहा था, कल एक डिस्कशन हो रहा था कि रिसोर्सेज के बारे में कि हाउ मुंबई प्लान्स. अब वो मुंबई का उन लोग सीरियसली लेते हैं उन लोग प्लानिंग. जैसे आकाश अंबानी बोल रहा था कि लास्ट 1-2 मंथ से वी वर ऑन कॉल्स 12 आवर्स अ डे, मतलब पूरा टीम मैनेजमेंट और वो मतलब एक टारगेट डिस्कस करने के लिए, जैसा वो बोल रहा था लास्ट 1 मंथ. तो बोला
Jio का
कि
usage बढ़ाते हुए.
जियो मीट ठीक है, पर वो ठीक है, पर वही है कि ऐसा लग रहा था पंजाब came clueless to the auction. कोई स्पेसिफिक टारगेट्स नहीं, कोई
नहीं, एक था प्रीति जिंटा को शाहरुख खान चाहिए था, मिल गया.
हाँ,
वो बोली भी बात, she literally mouthed, we got our Shahrukh.
Shahrukh Khan has only in the last one since 2020 started. Shahrukh Khan has actually only made 88 runs in all of domestic cricket. He played 4 innings, made 88 runs, and even though they were impactful runs,
I think what probably impacts Punjab a lot is that, let's say Kumble is the director of cricket, but KL Rahul hasn't led a team and they do not have captains. So like all the other franchises, you see they have a captain who is kind of wanting certain kinds of player in his team, which probably a KL Rahul may not be as strong as in putting his voice across or demanding compared to other franchises. Like,
so then I can say Darshil, I can say the same about Sanju Samson.
Yeah, exactly. But that's what I'm saying.
Like,
you have Stokes, Butler over there who are still more sensible. I don't. Punjab side is relatively. I think if you look at international experience, Puran is also not a breakout player. Shami is the other one. Mayank Agarwal is young. KL Rahul and Gale.
Nobody is a leader.
Gale has stopped playing
leader
since a long time. He's a mercenary. So I don't think he's concerned with his role. I'm not saying he's a bad player, but if you look at a leadership,
कोई leader
कोई नहीं है.
That is true, but it's not that tough to get the option right, to be honest.
To a large extent.
मेरे को इतना नहीं लगता कि because see, RR knew कि हमें मॉरिस चाहिए. जोफ्रा को अगर अभी जल्दी 3 ओवर लेने हैं या फिर जोफ्रा का वर्कलोड बैलेंस करना, तो we need मॉरिस. They went and got it. I mean, it was like whatever it takes. That has to be the attitude for certain players.
Exactly. You have to be serious. You have to be willing to spend whatever it takes.
I think apart from Jai Richardson, Punjab, मेरे को लग रहा था कि पंजाब के लिस्ट में there was this one player only, Jai Richardson, कि जो भी हो जाए, अगर ये 20 करोड़ भी अगर जाएगा, हमारे पास 60 करोड़ है, इसको लेना है. Apart from that, we never saw an aggressive.
Because he would have been a Jai Richardson who can bat.
Aggressive bidding war भी पंजाब never indulged with. I think Maxwell के लिए कुछ देर था. Apart from that, there was a never aggressive.
They bid with RCB on Kylie Jamieson. Again,
they bid on Jamieson, they bid on Morris, they bid on everybody, but they pulled out fall. I don't know.
towards the end. Because that's what I think Kumble said towards the end.
अच्छे होंगे में पैसे जमा करके, but
Kumble said towards the end कि in
ईटी
if
सेंटा
you,
पैसे उड़ाएगी.
so Kumble said towards the
and
end
they
in
have
the
like
auction कि-
they have another
हाँ,
T20 franchise in CPL, तो ऐसा भी नहीं है कि कोई resources नहीं है, गरीब हैं कि यार planning नहीं करते. They are a multinational T20.
Oh, they have another.
conglomerate now.
They have a team
Yeah,
in
they-
CPL also.
they added it
They
this
own
year,
the
I think
Saint
Guyana,
Lucia Zoo.
Saint Lucia, sorry, Zouk, yeah. So
Saint
yeah, I think
Lucia
What were you
Kumble
saying?
said one thing.
What did Kumble say? Well, you were saying
Yeah,
something.
yeah. So Kumble said कि if people knowing that you have the most budget, they can tend to push you around during the auctions, and that's what is happening. People are trying to sort of push them to spend more than what should be done, but that's obvious, man. I mean, obviously
That's
that's
So
immaterial
much
in
money you
retail.
can push
You could-
also.
that is the auction. If you put down your this thing and take Morris to 18 crores, you're not going to get pushed around. People are going to
Yeah.
say, "Le lo, you want him badly."
I
and
would have
we
bought
don't want
Morris
him
for 25 crore than Riley merited it for 8 crore. Doesn't
Yeah.
it's like in a vacuum it does not make sense, but if you
I
think
think-
about the
I
context,
think why
I would
think
have
why-
Morris at 25 than Meredith and 17 crore in the bank.
Yeah, I think why they had to go for Meredith and really get him for this much, and then why were they
I think
bidding
that
for
was desperation at
Jameson?
that time.
Yeah, exactly, because it was desperation at that time, because तब तक they would have realized कोई बचा ही नहीं auction में, and that's exactly what has happened. I think
Berentoff, man,
One of-
Berentoff. I keep calling that name. 2 crore में मिल
Even
जाता
players
है.
like Ben McDermott, who are good in middle order, they also went unsold. They could have easily called anyone. Ben McDermott went unsold.
Funny, man.
There was another player I remember. I forget from which. एक और player again who went unsold from the national squads. One of the national squad, not Finch. Hales, no.
Hales. Roy.
Hales. But again,
Jason
Hales is an
Roy.
opener. So
Hales and Roy
maybe Alex
both.
Carey. You could have taken Alex Carey, who is
see,
plays in the
honestly,
middle.
they could have bid for Ben Cutting also, man. There were so many options.
towards the end तो मतलब Harbhajan भी ले सकते थे यार.
हरभजन
तो
भी ले
वही है
सकते थे.
Middle order तो solve ही नहीं
Even
किया.
Sam Billings, for that matter, who went
Sam
later
Billings.
on.
They'll again go with Sarfaraz in the middle, asking
Yeah,
Sarfaraz
I mean,
to get
it's
50 of 30 and
Punjab is
Or
not getting it.
pretty solid.
So the thing is, you have to remember, the RCB filter works well when you have one RCB player in your squad. If you make your squad entirely of ex-RCB players, you will also crash and you will also choke. That's how it works. अगर पूरा ही कोड तुम्हारा ex-RCB है, तो you will be a choker team.
ठीक है, चलो then भाई. हाँ,
Man.
ठीक है, चलो फिर. Yeah, I think last thing before closing this, let's very quickly top 4 of the IPL playoffs कौन बनाएगा, and then we'll wrap this up. So I'll start with mine. I think my top 4 would be MI, CSK, KKR, and DC. I think not in any particular order, but I think those 4 would probably make the top 4 for me. Ankur?
MI, KKR, DC, CSK. Yeah, same. But not in that order.
Yeah, I mean order. Let's see, because a lot can happen over the next month. Piyush?
Yeah.
MI.
MI, DC.
MIA, MIB,
नहीं
MIC,
नहीं ऐसा भी नहीं यार, इतना भी प्यार नहीं है. ठीक है, MI, DC, CSK और 4th team Sunriser.
Sunriser. It'll be interesting. Sunrisers I missed, but
Even
reason was
miss
that
Sunrise, yeah.
I felt KKR and maybe a little bit of
KKR
bias.
/ Sunriser maybe. Yeah.
Maybe a little bit of bias. But chalo, ठीक है. I think I'll still stick to my original top 4. I think KKR is going to have a good season. So Darshit.
Yeah, I mean, I am taking a big risk and excluding MI. I am saying RCB, CSK, Rajasthan Royals, and DC.
Whoa.
No
Interesting.
MI.
Mara.
I am excluding
Yeah,
MI.
that's
Up. Three-peat ka pressure will get to them is what I
And
think.
assuming all the matches are at Wankhede or not at Chepauk, first Delhi, second Mumbai, third RR, and fourth Punjab.
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 I think Punjab will bite the dust. Punjab is finishing bottom this time for sure.
Yeah,
I
that is
also
true.
think they'll
Bottom
be
4 में Punjab तो
I
आएगा
think they could have done
common for
better, but I
everyone.
think they will still have enough
हाँ,
quality.
मतलब मैच विनर तो है ही पंजाब में देखा जाए तो, मतलब they can win matches on their own. तो ठीक है.
Let's see.
That all
Last
they
time तो वही हुआ
almost
था
did
कि
make it with a win.
their top 3-4 was doing well, but still matches नहीं जीत रहे थे. KL Rahul, I mean,
I think
Embarrassing
KL
that you
Rahul
get-
will track them 4-5 wins by himself.
embarrassing. You get 700 odd runs and your team was at one point was like doing horribly. It was when KL Rahul's form sort of dipped that Punjab actually got some wins under their belt. Shuru mein to, chalo, I think great fun, guys. We've wrapped this up. Interesting takes, everyone. Thank you for watching. Whoever's going to watch this on YouTube, Instagram. Obviously, guys, like, share, subscribe in your WhatsApp group to support us.
And also some comment your top 4. What do you think?
And do comment your top 4 wherever you're doing it.
जो सही बोलेगा उसको दर्शील ऑटोग्राफ बुक
Yes.
भेजेगा लिख के.
And
And
अगर
you can-
दर्शील की
and-
तरह बैंगलोर टॉप 4 में है तो अपना कमेंट डिलीट कर दो and reconsider your life choices.
I was telling you can also comment your bottom 3 prediction क्योंकि एक तो पता है RCB है बाकी 3 कौन बॉटम फिनिश करोगे वो also you can
ई साला कब नमडे. Let's go.
Let's go.
चलो, I think 2020 था डिफरेंट चीजों का ईयर. RCB couldn't win it that time also. So मतलब I don't know what they're going to do. Even Liverpool won the title. I don't think it's going to ever happen. चलो, thanks
But
guys.
they will
Thanks,
have
guys.
Liverpool 2021.
Thank you guys.
Bye.
चलो, bye.